Do you want to see Emma go for a goat ride? It's vegetarian poop, so it doesn't really smell or anything. It just kind of dries up.
Emma, go, Emma, go!
Whoa, where'd she go?
Haha.
Where'd she go? Let's pat her and say thank you. Thank you for the ride, goat. Thank you. Those are horns. These are ears. These are horns. How they scratch their bodies if they're feeling scratchy. They can scratch.
Mommy, it's with the toes.
They do that too.
Yeah.